This is a payment proof from the website I'm going to show you in this video. And before we get straight to it, please like this video and subscribe. To get started, all you need is a VPN and a web browser. Go to Play Store and download any of these VPN. I'm going to use the Turbo VPN. Ensure you select London as your location on your VPN. To verify your location, go to this website and check your location. This is the website we will be working with in this video. I will leave the link in the description. Click on Register and fill in your details. To get a real London postcode search on Google, accept terms and condition and click on Register. You can earn reward by completing surveys and referring your friends. I'm going to complete a survey in this video. After completing a survey, submit and you'll be redirected back to the website and your balance will be updated. You can see my balance has been updated. Note that there are different reward for different surveys. Longer survey tends to get higher rewards. Do more survey to reach the minimum withdrawal of $4 and place your withdrawal. Please like this video and subscribe.